Hello YouTube fam! For today's video I am here in Houston, Texas, and I'm going to show you the top 3 most Instagrammable spots you need to shoot while you're in Houston. So let's go! The first spot is the Gerald Hines Waterwall.
The Waterwall is such a beautiful place to shoot, and it's honestly so breathtaking with the water all around the front and the back. I was lucky enough to have little to no people there while I was shooting, so I would definitely recommend coming on a weekday. One thing though, be careful because on slightly windy days, the water definitely gets you a little wet, and I mean my hair was a little messy here. Other than posing right in front of the Waterwall, they have these blocks towards the side that you can sit on and take some really cool low to high photos, so I would definitely recommend that.
Spot number 2 is the Art Walk on Main Street Square in downtown Houston.
The art block on Main Street is full of colorful art installations that are constantly changing, so it may not look exactly like this when you come and visit, but don't worry, they always have cool, photo-worthy installations. When I was there, they had the Floy Newsom planter and stems painted stainless steel installation. It was so cool that I could not only walk around and pose with the art, but I could also kind of sit and lean against the art and get some cool shots. I also loved how colorful it was and that it turned out to produce some really fun photos.
And the third most Instagrammable spot you must visit while you're in Houston is Aqua S. Let's go inside and check it out.
Aqua S is honestly an Instagrammer's paradise. They have so many different areas that you can take cool photos. Before I even indulged in their amazing soft serve, I had to pose with their cute blue telephones. Then I got my sea salt soft serve with popcorn and marshmallow on the side and posed with their wings, their I got served in Houston sign, and a super cute table set up in the front. Honestly, this was the cutest Instagrammable place with the best soft serve in Houston. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and now know some super cool places to shoot in Houston. Please don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys next week.